Hi, Miss Luz. My name is Joaquin Torres. I am from Piura. I am 22 years old, and I am studying system engineer and computer science. I love my degree because I enjoy automatic and configure computers. I love China food, but I don't like their vegetables. I like salsa music. I enjoy playing video games, but I don't like dancing. I like spending time with my family. We're very close. On weekends, we really enjoy watching movies together. That's all. I am happy to be here today. Thank you for opportunity. Bye bye.